In the Majha region, the Congress reaffirmed its dominance by grabbing almost all the seats in the civic polls. This emerging scenario could be perceived as a setback for the BJP, which showed its negligence presence. While it was totally wiped out in Amritsar's three Nagar Panchayats, Raiya Ramdas Ajnala, two municipal councils, Majita and Jandiala, and ward number 37 by poll. Similar fate was witnessed at Municipal Council Patti and Nagar Panchayat Bhikivind, where the Saffron party could not open its account, much to its embarrassment. And its estranged alliance partner in Amritsar's Majita sad pocketed 10 out of the 13 total wards, whereas in Ajnala, though with a winning margin of just one ward, SAD has tried to re-establish its grip that it had lost after the former MP Ratan Singh Ajnala camp switched over their loyalty towards the Akali Taksali group. In Majita, its dominance was prominent. So in Gurdaspur district, out of 146 total seats, Congress got just 108 to make the presence felt. SAD got just 18 and Independents 12. So BJP has to console with just 4 seats in Bajnala.
The results of the Doaba region, in which there were 22 urban local bodies that went to polls. We had about 8 councils in Jalandhar, 9 bodies in Hoshiarpur, 3 in Nawashahar and 2 in Kapurthala, which went to the polls. And almost all of them have had Congress as the emerging as the winner. But there were a few seats like Alawalpur, Noormahal and Banga, where things are a little undecided, and a lot of other factors like the role of the independents is being weighed upon. So first we talk about the municipal corporations. There were 2 municipal corporations from Doaba which went to polls. These were Kapurthala and Hoshiarpur. First we talk about Hoshiarpur. Hoshiarpur we're talking about because this is one seat which has become a talking point because the BJP has got a bad bashing from this seat. Call it the aftermath of the farmers' agitation in the Delhi borders, or some ongoing political reasons that the BJP has fared badly, and it has got just 4 out of 50 seats from this Hoshiarpur seat. Hoshiarpur, as we all know, is a BJP bastion, and this is the seat which is represented, the parliamentary seat is represented by Mr. Som Prakash, who is the union MOS previously. The seat was with Mr. Vijay Sampla, who was a big leader from this area. Today, a very powerful ex-state minister, Mr. Tikshan Sood, his wife, Mrs. Rakesh Sood, she has lost the councillor elections. And BJP has got 4 seats, and 41 have gone to Congress. AAP has got 2, Independents have got 3, and Akali Dal has been completely routed from Hoshiarpur. So next we go to the other important municipal corporation election, that was of Kapurthala. Like Hoshiarpur, this ULB also had 50 wards, and Congress has won 45, Akali Dal has got 3, Independents got 2. And here also the Saffron party had fielded 36 candidates, but it got a victory on none. So the performance of Aam Aadmi party was equally bad. This party has also got a duck, and in some of the wards, the party has got, the candidates have got just 4, 6 or 9 votes. So that is the fate of Kapurthala. And one interesting thing that happened in Kapurthala was a tie between 2 candidates in ward number 21. The draw was conducted, and finally this seat also went the Congress way. Jalandhar had 8 municipal councils and Nagar Panchayats going to polls. The most prestigious seat in Jalandhar was Philor. We are saying Philor because this is the seat of Member Parliament. This has been the seat of Member Parliament, Mr. Chaudhary Santokh Singh, and his son now represents the seat as the Halka in charge, and the party has won, the Congress party has won 11 out of 15 wards. Next is Adhampur. Adhampur was primarily seen as a fight between Akali Dal MLA Pawan Tinu and another Akali rebel group led by Mr. Darshan Singh Karwal. So the Kawal group has won in a big way here, getting 12 out of 13 seats. So Tinu has got a beating here, but he has somehow done well in Lawalpur, but here things are a little undecided because most seats they were won by independents, so there which way they go will decide the ultimate fate of the seat. In Nakoda, Congress has got 9 out of 17 seats. Congress has got 11 out of 13 in Mehedpur, 6 out of 15 in Kartarpur. So that way, Congress has largely been leading in Doaba. There were 59 councillors who have won as independents in Doaba region. So there will be a lot of changes that will happen in coming days. Overall, we see that AAP has, which had done a lot of makeover in the last few weeks ahead of the elections, it could not win even a single seat in Jalandhar. If we talk symbol-wise, Akali Dal has got one, BJP has got just one, and BSP has done relatively better. It has got 2 seats, one in Adhampur and the other one in Philor. So BSP has also got 1 seat in Nawashahar. If we go to Sultanpur Lodi, Congress has won 10 out of 13 seats. So MLA Navtej Cheema has a lot to cheer about, and he's comfortably placed. If we talk about Nawashahar, there are 19 wards and Congress has got 11. 3 have gone to SAD, 1 to BSP and 4 independents. Banga is an interesting poll today. This one is a seat from where no party has got a majority. There were 15 wards, 5 have gone to the Congress, 5 to the Aam Aadmi Party, and 3 in Akali Dal, 1 in BJP and 1 independents. So since Congress and Akali Dal won't go together, so the only possible combination is Aam Aadmi Party with either Akali Dal or Congress. So this again will be seen in the days to come.